Welcome to Digestible with the Blues. You know, we're using that Elect Holmes steamer, and I said, you know what, I'm going to show you how to make a quick barbecue sauce. So, use some bell pepper. Just kind of rough chop. It's kind of how my mother used to make it. Used to watch her make it. She always made her own barbecue. And this is Andrew's honey that he gives us. They gave us. See this here? Now don't cut all the way through. Let's pull it. Hey, that pulls that stem, that skin off. We're gonna hand blend this after. So, boy, don't breathe. We're gonna put some apple cider vinegar in here. We're gonna make an apple honey barbecue sauce. So. Cup and a half of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put some wine in it, a little bit of white wine. And a little bit of a red bell pepper. Okay. I'm gonna cut a couple of Granny Smiths. See what I do here now? I hold my thumb like that. It's like a paring knife, so it's safe. Okay. With that V cut back here. So. Careful. The skin and all. The skin has got a natural thickener to it. The skin on Granny Smith's, they use that in some recipes where they don't use, and jam. You know, where they don't use any pectin. It's got natural pectin. Hold on one second. Hey, keep it rolling, Glenn.
Yeah, we got it.
Hey, Corey. Hey, what is Andrew's name that has the honey?
Burnett.
Andrew Burnett?
Yep.
And what's the...
B-U-R-N-E-T-T.
B-U-R-N-E-T-T. What's the name of his company?
It's called Drew's Bees or Drew's Honeybees.
Drew's Bees. Yeah, we're live doing the videos right now. And he brought us a lot of... Huh?
It's funny you said that because I just ran into him at Big Play.
Okay. Yeah.
He'll be down later tonight, hopefully.
Awesome. We're doing a barbecue sauce and doing some ribs with that steamer. So we're gonna give him a shout out. Andrew Burnett. Andrew's Bees or Bees?
Yeah, Drew's Honeybees.
Drew's Honeybees. Is he online? He's online, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bud. Thank you. Bye-bye. That was a phone a friend moment.
Good one.
Right, Glenn.
That's a good one.
Huh? Drew is an awesome guy, man. Andrew, he's like one of the nicest humans you're ever gonna meet. Okay, so see here now, right in there, boom, poof. Hey B, tell them to bring me a bottle of that apple cider, hard cider. Now here, believe it or not, It's a cocktail sauce, just ketchup and horseradish. But I say, you know what? We're gonna give it a shot in here. Why not? So, you know. And Worcestershire. It's about just for the color. Now we're gonna go with some more ketchup. Heinz, of course. I've been buying that organic Heinz. It's nice stuff. You know, try to stay away from that high fructose corn syrup. All right. Thank you. And that's a little bit of Angry Orchard. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Look, watch this right. No twist stop. So this old school kitchens. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
I know a buddy of mine, Roberto, used to bite it off with his teeth. God. All right. And then, anyway, Drew's honey, we kind of, you know, when honey sets up, it kind of crystallizes. Well, all you got to do is put it, it lasts forever. So we're just going to melt it back down, but nice chunk of that wild honey. And so later on, we're going to see what that, we'll adjust the sweetness. That spoon's a little on the warm side right there. And I'm going to try the, just get an idea where we're at flavor-wise. At this moment, I'm not sure about the horseradish, but we'll see what the final product yields. Back burner for that one for get her going. Yep. And we'll be back. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. All right, so here we are. Nice, it got nice and thick on us. So we reduced it down. You see the high water mark right there. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to blend it. It's Hamilton Beach Special. Everybody should have one of these. Nice and chunky. We're not even going to strain it. Let's taste it out. See what we need here. A little more of that good time honey. Sweet her up. Kind of calling it a honey apple barbecue sauce. honey. Because, you know, we got a lot of acidity in there. Ketchup and the horseradish. A little apple cider vinegar. All right. So that's our finished barbecue sauce. And we're going to mix these with our ribs. All right, that's it right there. Apple honey barbecued ribs. You know what? Look at that sizzling. I'm not about to bite into that one, huh? I'm going to give that a minute. We'll be right back. Right back. Here, let's see what we got here, Glenn. You know, when it's cooked down, that apple comes out, the honey comes out, mixed with the ribs. There you guys go with the blues. Lit Peltier on camera. Where's Paula Orsini Peltier? Working at the
salon.
Working at the salon. What's the name of that salon?
Cut above.
Cut above. Hey, always number one, Southeastern Connecticut. Orsini sausage, always number one. We use the triple hot sausage, the small little rope of parsley garlic. We use the links, hot links. We use the bulk on our pizza. But if you get your hands on some, please do. But there you guys go with the blues here. Beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Deepwater Port. We got sun shining. We had some bad weather. We had that, what they call it, a bomb cyclone. The nor'easter came in. Thank God it's not snow. The nor'easter usually associated with snow. The bomb cyclone dumped 5-6 inches of water in like an hour, 2 hours. Flooding. Luckily we're on the higher side of Bank Street, a little bit lower, about 3 feet of water, flooded out some restaurants. They had those pumps working, fire department, God bless them. Hey, you guys go with the blues. Peace.